Oh, I remember this. This smells good. I hope I can find a nice tropics.
So do I brought my whole, I still have a whole Pokemon park collection.
I'm looking for medium, but I think I like this better.
Huh? Dakota Blue, you got a little.
How much?
$5 and 249.
249. Okay. I'll come back later. This is what you say whenever you are not undecided to buy what to buy. You just have to say, I'll come back later. I don't think they will remember you because there's so many people here. So it's my way of saying, you know, like in a good way, I think. Oh my god, I'm gonna check out that plant again. I love plants. But that thing, the one that I asked the lady, is quite expensive though. The stand for the plant is quite pricey. I don't think I'm gonna come back. I'll just check out at the thrift store. Maybe I'll find a better price for that. Let me wear my mask. How much is this?
$7.
$7. How many pieces?
So 125, but I also.
Okay. I like environmental friendly paper plates. They are good. And some of this stuff are very durable, and also you can put the thing on top like a foam or covering, and then you can just throw it afterward. But you can reuse that plate. That plates. Okay, now earlier we cannot find anything from here. 1 dozen for $20. That's good. I mean, you can pick different variety of gloves and it's only $20. It's a good price, but I didn't bring enough money today, so I'm thinking to give this to my uncle who is a carpentry, and my cousins, they are all carpenters and they are very good, so I'm thinking to give them that. So it's whenever they work, uh, whenever they work, it doesn't, you know, hurt your hands, because you need to use the you wear gloves, so it doesn't hurt your hands. I want the lemon garlic presser. I'm gonna go around first, and I'm gonna check out that later on. What is this? Is this coffee? Oh yeah, like teacups. Let's see.
Am I taking that to Neil?
Regular.
I said I told him about those tables. Like, we'll sit on his back.
Curries.
Did he pay you already?
$24 pieces. How much is this?
That's $8.
8. Okay. Right, thank you. $8. I think the price is almost similar to the one in the store, but you know, guys, here in the flea market, you have to look at the you have to look at the price and the expiration date of the things that you are buying, because sometimes whatever you can buy at the flea market, some items was stored for such a long time, and therefore you have to check the expiration dates of every, especially if you're buying food, coffee, canned goods, and things like that. People are setting up this flea market will last until afternoon, until 5 p.m. or it depends on the flow of the people who comes here. I like the t-shirt. Oh my goodness, I think I'm gonna rest for now. I've been walking a lot today, but we're gonna check it out later on again when the sun goes down a little bit, and we're gonna go back and check out other places. Alright, bye. Thank you so much. There's also keys, duplication, t-shirts, so many things. Bye bye.